Hi, I'm Chris Giordano with Differentials Plus, and this is Road Ready. Today I wanted to talk about the importance of a digital vehicle inspection. When your vehicle comes into us, we will perform a multi-point inspection. This has two purposes. The first is to let you know of any issues that you may have with your vehicle. The second is we give you a full estimate on all those findings so that you can make an educated decision. During that digital inspection, we check things like your tires, your brakes, all your fluids for any possible oil leaks, steering and suspension, the drivetrain system. If we have anything on there, you will be provided with a full estimate, and then it helps you to make an informed decision on the repairs of your vehicle. If you have any questions about your car, you can find us at 6714 Middle Valley Road. You can reach us at 423-355-1872. You can find us on Facebook at Differentials Plus, or you can find us on the web, differentialsplus.com.